Hello everyone, let's see how to make some different kinds of craft. First we are taking a sponge and then just putting some dots of colors like this. Then we're gonna draw the grapevine just like shown by using purple and pink color. Complete the drawing as it is. After that, just we are adding little more details through stems. Here we are using dark green color. Then use white color from earbud to detail the grapes a bit more. And your scenery is done. Let's move ahead to our next drawing. Here we are making a pineapple. Then we are just giving some more dots on it to give it structure like the pineapple. And then we are making the grass upon there. After that we are detailing it by making a little slice of pineapple over there. And then you can see your drawing is done. You can add more details if you want. Just a little print of blue color so that it looks like cool eyes. And it's done. Let's move ahead to our next drawing. Here we are using red marker and then by wet earbud we are just spilling it as shown, and then you can see your cute cherries are almost ready. We are just giving little detailings by red marker to make it look like more real. Just repeat these steps with all the lychees we've drawn, and then you can see we have added the final detailings with black marker of the straws, and you can see in the last we are making some leaves, and it's done. Let's move ahead to our next drawing. Here we are taking magenta and white color, and with that we are making dragon fruit. We are detailing the drawing by taking green color and then just covering the spots. After that we are making black seeds on the sliced dragon fruit, and you can see it's done. Let's move ahead to our next drawing in this video. We are taking combination of red and yellow color. With that we are making some circles, and onto that we are detailing it with brown color spots. Then we are drawing the stems as you can see. In the last we're gonna draw some leaves so that it looks like lychee. And to complete the drawing we are adding little more details with yellow color spots, and you can see we are drawing little flowers, and by this our drawing is ready. Let's move ahead to our next drawing in this video. Here we are taking some red color and making some structures like this as you can see. Then by taking green color we are making stems joining them, and then just repeat it with all of these, and after that draw some leaves attached to the stem as we are doing here, and then take yellow color and draw the structure of the strawberries, and you can see we have drawn some white spots and flowers on this strawberry, and it's done. Thanks for watching.